Okay, this is xiaomi s20, so you can see here. This is the disassembly of it. Okay, so we start with the bumper. We take out all the screws here, remove it, and then the bumper will move out. Then we have those screws. Here we have the battery. We can leave it here. And we have those screws, about 8 of them, I think, except those ones. And then we can remove the whole thing out with one hand. Okay. And here we have the wheels, the engine here. This is the leader. That's it. It's very simple to disassemble it. Just the bumper screws. It doesn't click on anything. It just hang over here with the screws that close it. And that's it.